car refrigerator have upgrade. If you received a new car refrigerator, then you are in the right place. In this video, you are going to review top 5 best car refrigerator in 2023 on the market. All this or see car refrigerator open selected best 1 personal location. The you reading reviews and orders. Okay, so let's started.
Number 5.
Alpicool 35L/45L/55L car refrigerator 12/24V fast cooling. Fridge pull bar refrigerator 110V/220V car home travel outdoor picnic. Alpicool 35L/45L/55L car refrigerator 12/24V fast cooling. Fridge pull bar refrigerator 110V/220V car home travel outdoor picnic cooler. The charging interfaces we provide include EU, US, UK, CN. What kind of
Number 4.
TAR Alpicool 35L/45L/55L car refrigerator 12V.110V portable. Compressor cooler 220V 24V car home fast refrigeration. App control. Separate storage of refrigeration and freezing. Multifunctional and thoughtful companion. Both zones can be refrigerated or frozen. Bass and low noise. Give you a comfortable sleep. The sound of the machine running and working is only 45 decibels. Dual use for car and home use. The 12V 24V cigarette lighter plug is suitable for cars and trucks. Cigarette lighter.
Number 3.
Viva 30L/40L/50L mini car refrigerator portable small. Fridge freezer 12V 24V DC 110 to 240. C cooler for outdoors caravan camping. Rating 4.8. 90 reviews. 500 plus sold. This portable refrigerator with 30L 32 quart capacity is large enough to hold 45 cans of 330 milliliters 11.1 Floz Cola, 21 bottles of 550 milliliters 18.6 Floz drinks, and 13 bottles of 750 milliliters 25.3 Floz red wines. With
Number 2.
Viva 20L 22L 35L 45L 55L car refrigerator mini fridge freezer. Portable compressor cooler 1224V DC 110 240V ice box for camping. Rating 4.8. 229 reviews. 1000 plus sold. Viva Bistorto's store is the official flagship store of Viva automobiles, parts and accessories, and is the exclusive agent for all Viva products. Recently, many sellers counterfeiting Viva emerged in the market, stealing our pictures and texts involving car refrigerators, car heater, electric.
Number 1.
Viva 20L 22L 35L 45L 55L car refrigerator mini fridge freezer portable compressor cooler 12/24V DC 110 to 240V ice box for camping. Many car refrigerators offer adjustable temperature settings to suit your specific cooling or freezing needs. Modern car refrigerators are designed to be energy efficient to prevent draining the vehicle's battery excessively. They often have low power modes and automatic shut-off features to conserve power. Car refrigerators typically have multiple compartments or shelves to help organize and separate items. Some models come with removable baskets or dividers.